This might not look like a big project, but painting this wall completely changed how this garage feels. Alright, in the last video, I cleared out the garage and started resetting this space. And now I'm working on one of the simplest upgrades you can make, just painting an exposed stud wall. I am done clearing out this side, and I have vacuumed all of the stud walls, and I'm kind of thinking that I want to paint them. I think it would look good. Most of the rest of the garage is drywall, not this wall over there, but so I think it would look really nice with it just white. And then I'm planning to put some shelving with bins right here, and then over here will be like all the rakes and shovels and stuff again. I'm just gonna be fixing this wall. I really don't feel like it, but while I'm at it, might as well. That just needs to be sanded. And I guess I'll patch up there too. And maybe prime this wall as well. I don't know. It's getting out of hand. This is getting out of hand. Well, I'm starting to prep to paint. I've decided to paint this wall. I'm not drywalling, I'm not finishing, I'm just cleaning it up and making it look bright and complete. Right now it just feels very unfinished with the raw wood. It kind of makes the whole space feel dark. So I'm not overthinking it. I just want something that looks clean, bright, and makes this space feel more put together. I did some quick prep, like removing all the old nails sticking out and covering the floor. And I set up my $50 sprayer with primer and went to town on this wall. Check out the video in the description below on how I use this paint sprayer to paint cabinets. After about 3 coats of primer, I moved on to a white satin trim enamel paint and did 2 coats of that. As I was painting this wall, I started thinking about the whole garage and the wall next to me. That could use a coat of paint too. Honestly, this is one of those things that's easy to skip because moving on to another wall can easily double the scope. But I figure while I'm at it, I may as well paint the drywall. I knew I would be glad I did it, and in reality, when else was I going to do it? It's a happy face? Okay.
What? Looks 1,000 times better.
Oh. Okay, I gotta get that tape up there. See the tape? I was putting paper up there, and it wasn't holding.
Oh.
I was using your sign to do the edges because the tape wasn't sticking to nothing. So I had to like go around with the cardboard. So it looks really good. I'm gonna roll that just up to the door and up, like above the door.
You're gonna do that?
Yeah, I'm doing from here to there. Ah, that already looks better. It's still a garage, but now it actually feels like a space that I can work in. Remember where I started at. It's kind of crazy how clearing out some clutter and painting these 2 walls can make such a huge difference. It reminds me that God does that in our lives too. He takes things that feel unfinished and starts making them new one step at a time. This is just one step, but it completely changes how the whole garage comes together. In the next video, I'll walk through how I built this custom storage system. It's a little different than what you usually see, and honestly, it's a game changer. Plus, it's something you can use in your own garage too. So if you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.